Hi guys, today let me show you how easy it is to delete a user account on your Windows 10. This is a very easy guide, so let's take a look at this first. So with Windows 10, you can certainly manage your local users, and Windows 10 will let you make multiple accounts on your computer. So for example, your friends or family can all share the same PC. You won't have to worry about not being able to control the user accounts because as the system administrator of your Windows 10 computer or laptop, you add, change, and remove accounts as you please since you're the owner of your computer. So how are we going to do this? So let's go to our settings. So I'm on my Windows and go to Start menu by clicking this icon, and then go to Settings, this gear icon, click this, and on this page just go to Accounts. Click the accounts, and after clicking the accounts on the left pane, you need to click the family and other people. So as you can see, I have a test account in here and it is an administrator, so I'm going to delete this. You might have a different name in here listed, so if you have a different name listed here, and if you have multiple accounts listed here, just select the one that you want to delete. So in my case, I'm going to delete the test. So just select the name that you want to delete and then remove. Click the option to remove, and this will appear. So make sure that you know what you're doing, that you will be removing this person in your account, and any files included will be deleted as well. So as you can see, it says here, deleting this person's account will remove all their data from this PC, including items on their desktop, downloads, documents, photos, music, and other files. If this data hasn't been backed up or saved to another location, such as another PC, it will be lost. So it's not going to be retrievable. You will not be able to retrieve the file once deleted. So I know what I'm doing, so I'm going to delete the account and data. It's going to take for a while, and that's how you do it. As you can see, it's not listed here anymore. So that's how easy it is to delete a user account or manage your Windows 10 account or user account. And that's all for now. I hope that you have enjoyed watching and learned something in this video. So if you have to say something about this video, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.